Thomas Ford was on the Westminster Assembly of Divines. He was a devoted attendee and an able scholar and Puritan. He wrote two particular works that are most important for the Christian church. The first one was The Singing of Psalms, The Duty of Christians, which Puritan Publications has already published actually some time ago, but we've just released this new work, The Scriptures, Self-Evidence. And it treats why the Bible is in and of itself the Word of God. He demonstrates not only by scholarly argument, but biblical demonstrability how the Scriptures are in fact God's revealed Word to His people, and that no other book has the harmony of its parts and divinity of its nature other than the Scriptures. It's available right now at the Puritan Shop. Go to www.puritanshop.com. It's available in both print form and in ebook form. Check it out, and may the Lord bless you as you read and study His Word.